Nathan, how eager are the lads to put the defeat against Newcastle behind them this weekend?
Yeah, I think we just want to get back on that winning track again. I mean, against West Ham, that was the perfect time to just kick on again and get another victory. But Premier League's a tough league, and we just want to put that game behind us and hopefully, as it says, give the fans something to cheer about and get a win on Saturday.
And back to Carrow Road, where performances this season have been mainly very encouraging, haven't they?
Yeah, there's only been a few games where we've got a few losses, but I mean, if you look at those games, we have played quite well. In terms of like Chelsea at home, felt we should have got something from, but I mean, it's football. You win some, you lose some, and that game's behind us now. That's far back in the past, so now we can just look onto the future and try to pick up some wins.
What do you make of Palace and the threat they'll pose?
Yeah, I mean, Palace, every team in the Premier League is a strong side, and every team in the Premier League have something to prove. So, I mean, we can only just kick on. We're at home, it's a sellout crowd, so I don't think anyone really enjoys coming to Carrow Road when it's loud and noisy. So we got to give the fans something to cheer about and get our reputation up, and just put in a good performance against a strong Palace side that will come here with a new manager and with something to prove. But we've got to be better.
Are the lads looking at the run of games up to Christmas as a chance to accumulate some real points?
Yeah, I mean, we look at every game and think we could maybe get something from it. I mean, there's never a game where we think we're gonna struggle. I mean, as I keep saying, the Premier League is a tough league and there's no easy game. So we can only kick on, get some over this Christmas break, and hopefully go into Christmas with a couple of wins and some points on the board.
Got a few injury concerns in wide areas. Do you feel that's an opportunity for you to step up to the plate?
Yeah, I mean, I've always been in and around the squads, and whether it's not starting, I've always came on and had a little bit of an impact. And if I've started, I've predominantly done quite well. In some games where I haven't done well, but I mean, that's just the life of a footballer. But with the injuries, it hasn't really helped. But we have got a strong squad and a strong staff back here at the training ground that will be helping them to get fit and be ready as soon as possible.
Yeah, as you said in the press conference, this is your first season in the Premier League and it's all about development for you, but you must be really enjoying it as well.
Yeah, I mean, I enjoy every game. I mean, I enjoy every experience as well, and that's one thing I've always been told, just to make sure you enjoy it, as well as you're learning and you're playing for Norwich Football Club. You have to have that passion, and the fans have to see that passion for you playing. But at the same time, I do try and enjoy every game, whether it's a win, lose or draw. You have to take something from the game, experience-wise, and I think that at the moment I'm just enjoying my football. But it would be a little bit better if we start to score a few more goals and get a few more points on the board.
Yeah, and finally, Nathan, a couple of weeks ago we saw you out here practicing on your own some shooting. Is that something you do regularly after training, like personal drills, trying to keep improving?
Yeah, I mean, back down at Birmingham, I always used to do extras with a few of the young lads out with Val Morris, and we'd just be out here for hours on end. We'd miss lunch and stuff, and we'd end up coming in at like 3 o'clock, and we'd just be doing practice on end. But I think now, I'm still doing it. I'm still coming out in the afternoons and doing stuff. But I mean, today's been a down day. We've had a bit of a recovery today in the gym and stuff, so I haven't been able to come outside. I've got to take care of my body, and as I know, there's been a few injuries, so I need to be a bit more careful than not. But yeah, I'm always outside practicing, always trying to figure out ways to get better and improve. And I mean, the best practice is always when you're on your own.
Good luck this weekend.